Mulayam Singh has hit out at the Congress, saying that the Congress is an unreliable party. He's gone on to say that this is a party that simply cannot be trusted. Let's listen in.
चुनाव को देखते हुए हमेशा कांग्रेस पार्टी एक आध काम कर देती है। पहले कर्जा थोड़ा माफ किया, साल हो गया और बहुमत ले गए। इसी तरह से अब कुछ काम करेंगे। ये इतने चालाक है, इतने धोखेबाज है ये पार्टी के समय पर लोगों को ठगते हैं तो आप लोग वहां में चले जाते हैं। इसे मजबूती से पढ़े लिखे नौजवान ये किसान के बेटे हैं। तो आने वाला चुनाव है, ये असली चुनाव है, क्योंकि दिल्ली सब कुछ है, राज्य सरकार है तो ऐसे है जैसे आपका पटवारी और दिल्ली की सरकार ऐसे जैसे कलेक्टर।
Pranshu on the phone line with us with more details on this big political story we're getting you right now. Pranshu, in the big build-up to 2014, yet another dig attacking the Congress coming in from the Samajwadi Party.
Well, that's right. In fact, remember just a couple of days back when Mulayam Singh has shared the dash with NCP President Sharad Pawar. At that point in time, he has made very clear the third front intention, and this is again he has very vocally, very strongly come out in favor of third front, clearly indicating that post 2014 there is a very high prospect for this emergence of third front. And in fact, Mulayam Singh has gone on to say that there are non-BJP, non-Congress political parties across the different states which would be emerging in a very strong formation. That formation would lead to the formation of third front, and ultimately the third front government at the center. So clearly, Mulayam Singh very clearly now accepting and telling that he is trying to build up this third front along with several key allies from within the NDA and the UP. And of course, he has hit it out very hard at the Congress, clearly saying that it is the most opportunist party and someone which cannot be trusted. So probably that is this pain of the CBI inquiries and other cases, and of course the Beni Prasad Verma issue, which has vented out so much anger in Mulayam against the Congress party. So clearly Mulayam they very strongly taking against the Congress, and also very strongly pitching in for the third front formation of a third front government post 2014 elections.